Good morning to all. I am Sifa Tara. Today we are here to conduct in-house training session. Now today's topic is meaning of blended learning and our resource person Ms. Smita Rani. So please come and conduct the training.
Good morning everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is Smita Rani. We are all here to conduct in-house training session and the topic is practicing blended learning. Meaning of blended learning. Blended learning is the term given to the education practice of combining digital learning tools with more traditional classroom face-to-face teaching. In a true blended learning environment, both the student and the teacher should be physically located in the same space. Blended learning, also known as technology mediated instruction, web enhanced instruction or mixed mode, is an approach to education that combines online educational materials and opportunities for interaction online with the physical place-based classroom methods. Blended learning emerged as one of the most popular concepts at the beginning of 2000 and is widely used in North America, England and Australia in college and training circles. Blended learning is a learning model that combines face-to-face learning, computer-based learning and internet-based computer learning or mobile learning. Components of blended learning. Online learning. Online learning is an open distributed learning environment that uses pedagogy is an open and distributed learning environment that uses pedagogical tools enabled by internet and web-based technologies to facilitate learning and knowledge building through meaningful action and interaction. Online learning is a course where most or all of the content is delivered online, typically have no face-to-face meetings of the content is delivered online, typically have no face-to-face meetings. Online learning is an different from blended learning. Many people assume that blended learning is similar to online learning. Online learning, if more than 80% of the content is delivered online and has almost no face-to-face learning, whereas in blended learning 30% to 79% of the content is delivered to students online. ऑनलाइन शिक्षण एक खुला और वितरित शिक्षण वातावरण है जो इंटरनेट और वेब द्वारा सक्षम शैक्षणिक उपकरणों का प्रयोग करता है। आधारित प्रौद्योगिकियां, सार्थक कार्रवाई और बातचीत ऑनलाइन सीखने के माध्यम से सीखने और ज्ञान निर्माण सुविधा के लिए एक कोर्स है जहां अधिकांश या सभी सामग्री ऑनलाइन डिलीवर की जाती है। आमतौर पर कोई आमने सामने की बैठक की सामग्री होती है। फेस टू फेस लर्निंग. फेस टू फेस लर्निंग इज synonymous learning model that is still being used until now and is very often used in the learning process. Face-to-face learning is a form of conventional learning model which is student-centered learning approach. The teacher conveys knowledge to students through the lecture, assignment and question and answer method during the learning process. Face-to-face learning brings together teachers and students in one room to learn. Self-directed learning. There are several terms used and independent learning, namely independent learning, self-direct learning, and autonomous learning. Independent learning is a form of learning model activity. In blended learning, students can learn anywhere, anytime, with anyone, and through anything. In self-direct learning, students have the freedom to learn without having to attend lessons given by the teacher in class. Students have wide opportunities in learning. This independence needs to be given to students so that they have the responsibility to regulate and discipline themselves in developing the learning abilities of their own accord. The flipped classroom learning. The flipped classroom learning reverses the traditional class structure of listening to a lecture in class and completing homework activities at home. Students in flipped classes watch a short lecture video online and come into the classroom to complete activities such as group work, project, or other exercises. The flipped classroom model can be seen as a sub-model of the blended face-to-face or blended online class. The rotation model learning. In the model, students in a course rotate between various modalities, one of which online learning. There are various sub-models: station rotation, lab rotation, and individual rotation. Some of these sub-models are better suited to K-12 education. Station rotation, for example, requires students to rotate between stations in the classroom at an instructor's discretion. Other work well on a college campus. The lab rotation model, for example, requires students in a course to rotate among locations on campus, at least one of which is an online learning tab. In the individual rotation learning model, and a student rotates through learning modalities on a customized schedule. The blended mock learning. The blended mock is a form of flipped classroom using in-person class meetings to supplement a massive open online course. Students access mock materials, perhaps for another institution or instructor, if the course is openly accessible outside of class, and then come to a class meeting for discussions or in-class activities. In 2012, San Jose State University piloted a blended mock using MIT circuits and electronics course, with students taking the mock out of class while face-to-face time was used for additional problem solving. Importance of teaching blended learning. There are many advantages by utilizing blended learning in the learning process, some of which have a flexible nature, meaning that students can contribute to discussions at the time and place they choose individually. Participation, meaning that all students can participate in the learning process because they can arrange a time and place to attend class. Learning has more time so that it can be more careful in arguing and more in reflecting on views and opinions. Blended learning is very important in the teaching and learning process because it is only done face to face, but also learning time can take advantage of virtual world technology, simplify and accelerate the non-stop communication process between teachers and students, help the teaching process in the classroom. 4 Cs of 21st century skills of blended learning. There was near unanimity that 4 Cs of 21st century skills of blended learning, there was near unanimity that 4 specific skills were the most important to the 21st century. They became known as the 4 Cs. Students that needs these specific skills to fully participate in today's global community and put into classroom practice, namely critical thinking, communication, collaboration and creativity. Critical thinking. The link between critical thinking and education is obvious. One can't learn well without thinking well. Critical thinking contributes to career success but also succeed in higher education. Critical thinking is a mental activity to formulate or solve problems, make decisions, understand certain things, find answers to questions and find relevant answers. Teaching critical thinking and problem solving effectively in the classroom is vital for students. Learning critical thinking leads students to develop other skills such as a higher level of concentration, deeper analytical abilities and improved thought processing. Critical thinking skills are one of the higher order thinking skills so that students gain knowledge and demonstrate performance. Students will become effective communicators, critical and dynamic thinkers, component problem solvers and will become experts in their careers. Communication. Humans are social beings who always interact with each other. Therefore, communication is one of the most important things that can be the key to success in social life. Communication skills refer to an individual's ability to communicate clearly, use spoken or written, verbal or non-verbal language and collaborate effectively. The main purpose of communication is to send information or messages so that the recipient can understand them. However, not everyone can communicate well. Some people are good at conveying information verbally but not in writing, in vice versa. Collaboration. Collaboration is a 21st century learning trend. Collaborative learning environments challenge students to express and defend their positions and generate their ideas based on reflection. They can discuss, conveying ideas to their friends, exchange different points of analysis, solving problems and creating new deeper learning and understanding. Collaboration is a skill that aims to develop collective intelligence in terms of helping, suggesting, accepting and negotiating through interactions with other people that are mediated by technology. Generally, collaboration has been accepted as a skill that's essential to achieve meaningful and effective results. In the past decade, however, it has become increasingly clearly that collaboration is not only important but necessary for students and employees due to globalization and the rise of technology. Creativity. Creative thinking is synonymous with the ability to generate new ideas. Creative thinking can also be defined as the ability to create a new object or concept or perfect an existing product to make it more attractive. Creative thinking skills can be nurtured by teachers and a learning environment that encourages questioning, openness to new ideas, and learning from mistakes and failures, like other skills, creativity and innovation skills can be developed through practice and over time. Role of teachers in BL environment. BL shifts the teacher's role from knowledge provider to coach and mentor. This shift does not mean that teachers play a passive or less important role in students' education. Quite the contrary, with BL teachers can have an even more profound influence and effect on students' learning. Traditionally, classroom instruction has largely been teacher directed, top down and one size fits all with a bit of differentiation thrown in. But with BL it now becomes more student driven, bottom up and customized with differentiation as a main feature. Much of this new learning dynamic is due to the enhanced role technology plays in instruction. BL provides an appropriate balance between online instructions, which offers the interactive tech-based learning, individualized pacing and privacy that keep students continuously engaged and motivated, and teacher-led instruction which personalizes the learning experience and adds the human elements of encouragement, compassion and caring guidance that only teachers can give. This new learning dynamic benefits students and teachers alike, giving students permission and space to become active learners who gain knowledge directly, lets them assume some control over their learning and helps them develop self-reliance. As more students are working independently, time opens up for teachers to provide face-to-face support and individualized instruction more frequently for more students, effectively improving differentiation. BL provides teachers with a fuller, more accurate picture of how each student is doing. BL yields more frequent and more personal teacher interaction with individual students. Teachers have the opportunity to deepen and strengthen student-teacher relationships. The trust that comes with close relationships can give teachers insights into students' personal struggles and needs, insights which empower teachers to comfort and coach students through challenges that often serve as obstacles to learning. In summary, BL combines the best aspects of online learning with the best aspects of their direct instruction, helping teachers easily manage to do much more to meet student needs without adding to an already weighty workload. Role of a learner in blended learning environment. Increase student interest. When technology is integrated into school lessons, learners are more likely to be interested in, focused on, and excited about the subjects they are studying. Keep students focused for longer. The use of computers to look up information and data is tremendous lifesaver combined with access to resources such as the internet to conduct research. This engagement and interaction with the resources keeps students focused for longer periods than they would be with books or paper resources. This engagement also helps develop learning through exploration and research. छात्रों को अधिक समय तक केंद्रित रखें। अधिक संभावना होती है सूचना और डेटा को देखने के लिए। कंप्यूटर का उपयोग एक जबरदस्त जीवन रक्षक है जो संसाधनों तक पहुंच के साथ संयुक्त है। अनुसंधान करने के लिए इंटरनेट संसाधनों के साथ यह जुड़ाव और बातचीत छात्रों को लंबे समय तक केंद्रित रखती है और तब तक वे किताबों या कागजी संसाधनों के साथ होंगे। Provides student autonomy. The use of learning materials increases a student's ability to set appropriate learning goals and take charge of his or her own learning, which develops an ability that will be translated across all subjects. Instill a disposition of self advocacy. Promote student ownership. BL instills a sense of student ownership over learning, which can be powerful force propelling the learning. It's this feeling of responsibility that helps the feeling of ownership. Allow instant diagnostic information and student feedback. The ability to rapidly analyze, review and give feedback to student work gives the teacher the ability to tailor his teaching methods and feedback for each student while improving time efficiency. Main characteristics of blended learning. The main features of blended learning are: students have the option of the two modes. Students in blended learning can select either the traditional mode of classroom teaching, where they can get personal interaction with the teacher and their classmates, or they can choose ICT supported teaching learning. This largely depends on the nature of content and objectives being targeted. Sometimes course designer or teachers themselves decide on the mode appropriate for topic being dealt with. Teachers are well versed with both the modes. It is an important feature of the blended learning that teachers are very dynamic, techno-savvy and fully trained to work efficiently in both the formats, traditional classroom format and ICT supported format. They will be able equipped in using traditional methods and other modern technologies. Students get face-to-face interaction as well. They interact in virtual space. Students get ample of time to interact with other students pursuing same course. They can interact with them inside college campus and also in virtual space. Their group become very large and has much diversity, so the students' knowledge becomes wide and they also develop a feeling of understanding, love and harmony with students of other cultures and countries. Students get full experience in using new technology. The present century is the country of ICT. Today the illiterate is not only the one who cannot read and write, but a person who is not well versed with modern technologies is also illiterate. Today all professions demand expertise in ICT, so blended learning help to make students' ICT experience rich. Students involved in blended learning gain capability to exploit available technologies to the fullest of their benefits. Students get training in different life skills. Life skills are those skills that are needed to lead a happy, peaceful and successful life. The major life skills are empathy, decision making capability, love, patience, communication, self-management, critical thinking. The blended learning helps the students to practice these skills. Students can acquainted with few skills like love, empathy, patience in classroom through his teachers, classmates, and few like self-management, decision-making, critical thinking, communication through the online experience. All-round development of personality is targeted in blended learning. The students get full opportunity for all-round development of the personality. All the aspects of personality, namely cognitive, physical, and emotional, are developed through blended learning, which is difficult to achieve in traditional mode or ICT approach if followed in isolation. Traditional classroom teaching is helpful in memory level and understanding level of teaching, and so help in cognitive domain development, and at same time teachers behavior, playground experience, and social group with classmates develop affective and physical domain. At same time online experiences help in reflective level of learning, so develop higher faculties of minute and social networking sites and other social interactions through internet help in right type of value development. Physical development is possible within school campus. The online learning and ICT supports teaching learning process is often targeted with the blame that it ignores physical development of the students. The blended learning overcomes these limitations as it included school experiences also, so students get time for playing, physical work, yoga inside the college campus. Students get wide exposure and new perspectives of the course content. Due to variety of experience, students get wide exposure and their content knowledge is enriched. They get to see various new dimensions of the content, gain practical useful knowledge. It has a human touch. Due to physical presence of prescience of teacher via traditional approach, students get that human touch which is very necessary for balanced students' emotional quotient and very necessarily up to secondary level. It provides multicultural and multi-dimensional approach to teaching learning process. Blended learning approach provides students opportunity to communicate and share their views and feeling with the students all over the world. Thus, it makes teaching learning process multicultural and variety of experience bring with it the interdisciplinary and multidimensional factor also. Makes teaching learning process child centered. Blended learning is designed to provide maximum gain to students and thus reach the goal of child centered education. Diverse role of teacher. Teacher is blended learning is playing different role. Traditional role of a teacher in classroom. She acts as motivator, as a resource person, as an organizer, as a developer when she develops content to be provided through ICT as a guide on the side. Thus, teacher gets freedom from the monotonous traditional roles. She can't try her hands in diverse areas that are good for her professional growth also. Student constructs knowledge rather than just consuming it. Blended learning also includes constructive. Students construct their own knowledge rather than depending on others to design teaching learning strategies for them. Benefits of blended learning. Blended learning combines the best aspects of online and in-person learning. It gives students an element of control, improves communication, and is incredibly flexible. Provide students with autonomy over their learning. Blended learning lets students progress at their own pace. Students can refer to course concepts and materials as needed and can advance when they feel ready. An LMS makes it easy for students to look back on earlier materials and to move through coursework at their own pace. With blended learning, an environment of autonomy empowers K-12 students to learn, study and troubleshoot questions on their own while guidance is always a click away. This can help students build discipline, independence and problem solving skills as they learn the materials. Enhance communication with teachers, students and parents. Blended learning environments combine the benefits of in-person and online teaching. This technology-infused learning helps enhance communication for teachers, parents and students both synchronously and, for example, in a blended environment. Teachers can use announcement features in their LMS to communicate class updates, changes and new information to students and parents all at once. Students can use discussion forums to ask questions, discuss course content and assignments and work together in assigned groups and sections. Parents can get a window into the classroom by using the same LMS as their children to see what they are working on and what's on the schedule. This lets them stay up to date on the latest news from the classroom. Strong communication is the key to a fulfilling educational journey for students. Blended learning can help improve communication and ensure that students who are behind receive the extra help they need, while those who are ahead can take on enrichment opportunities to keep them challenged and engaged. Track and improve engagement. Using EdTech tools to enhance traditional learning practices also helps provide educational stakeholders with more information about learning, engagement and adoption to inform teaching and decision making. But success is dependent on using the right tools such as an LMS with the right reporting capabilities to match your needs. For example, measure engagement. Gain insight as to how learners are engaging with their courses. This helps teachers identify at-risk learners so that they can intervene and get students back on track. Understand assembly quality. Access visualizations to help teachers understand the quality of assessments using quiz and question statistics such as reliability, average grade and correlation for all quiz and question types. Monitor adoption levels. Understand the levels of usage of EdTech tools along with breadth and depth of usage. This helps teachers and administrators get an idea of the wide variety of tools and features being used in the learning environment, as well as which features are being used to their fullest ability. Using analytics to track students' engagement and the quality of assessments allow instructors to create more dynamic and interesting content, improving retention and understanding in their classes. This helps students get the most out of their blended learning experience by ensuring they are well equipped once they leave the classroom. Improve accessibility and reach. The integration of technological tools not only ensures that students can use material anytime, for anywhere, it also improves accessibility for all students regardless of their learning needs. Some technology tools that can enhance learning experience in building environments include features that make content more accessible to students who use assistive devices, as well as features that allow content to be accessed on demand. Here are some tools that help make courses more accessible. Accessibility checkers help catch common accessibility issues on static HTML content and offer suggestions to help you fix them on the spot. Closed captions provide students with a text version of the speech and non-speech audio information needed to understand the content. Assistive technology integrations ensure that all learners can thrive in a blended learning environment. These technologies, which include listening, visual and communication aids, are used by about 1 billion people around the globe. These tools ensure that content is accessible and within reach of all students while making it easy for educators to create an inclusive learning environment. Every student deserves to learn in an environment they can succeed in. Technology ensures that inclusion is the baseline rather than a luxury. Benefits of blended learning at the time of COVID-19 pandemic. With schools all over the world redesigning because of COVID-19, blended learning is becoming a new normal. Blended learning has been around for a while and is the combination of traditional face-to-face instruction with aspects of online instruction, all while students are in the classroom with the teacher. Blended learning strives to provide students the best of both face-to-face and online learning experience. Blended classrooms include face-to-face instruction techniques such as direct instruction or lecture, group discussions and small work, while also using technology to provide in-class online learning that students can do at home provided they have access to necessary technology. Online instruction is often facilitated by a learning management system or LMS. An LMS is where the instructor puts all the lessons and activities that students must work through to successfully complete the course. Typically, LMS that schools are include Canvas, Schoology, Blackboard and even Google Classroom, etc. Conclusion. In the current era of digitalization technology is here to improve the equality of education, because the future of the nation is determined by education and human resources. Blended learning is a learning model that combines face-to-face learning, offline learning and online learning. Therefore, it is important to apply blended learning in the current learning process to prepare students as human resources who can globally in the future. Thank you.